Search is evolving fast. For many years, winning meant hitting the top of the list. But today, AI just gives a single answer. It decides who is the definitive best. If a brand isn't there, they're invisible. This is called Generative Engine Optimization, GEO. The goal isn't to be the top result. It is to be the answer itself. To win, you need the top GEO strategies to help your brand appear in these AI responses, not just search results. And success requires data, specifically the ability to measure your AI visibility with platforms like SEMrush. Now, the link to SEMrush is in the description. It's my affiliate link, which helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So if you find this video helpful and decide to give SEMrush a try, I would appreciate if you use my link. Now, let's get into it. The impossible problem. The scale of this shift is massive. Data shows that people are increasingly turning to AI assistants for everything from product recommendations to research. These systems don't work like traditional search engines. They act like sales personnel. If a user asks for a recommendation, the AI makes a judgment call. If it mentions a brand, that brand is instantly part of the consideration set. However, optimizing for this is difficult because of the black box nature of AI. In traditional SEO, marketers focus on specific rankings, but generative engine optimization requires a different approach. The AI pulls information from diverse sources, from threads, social comments, and technical specs, to form one comprehensive answer. Manually tracking where an AI learned about a brand is nearly impossible. The data is just too fragmented to simply Google what an AI thinks. And that is where the AI Visibility Toolkit from SEMrush can help. It allows marketers to reverse engineer this process and track how often a brand appears in AI responses, turning that black box into measurable data. Now, before we jump into the GEO strategies, I want to say thank you to SEMrush for sponsoring today's video. 7 verified GEO strategies. Effective GEO isn't about tricking a robot. It is about optimizing content to appear in the responses generated by AI-powered engines. Here are the top 7 strategies to achieve visibility. Number 1, the Answer First protocol. To rank in generative platforms, content must be easy to access and understand. Analysis shows that AI favors clarity and direct answers. When content buries the main point under long introductions, the AI often skips it in favor of clearer sources. The strategy is to address the user's questions directly in the first 1 to 2 sentences before elaborating on the details. Number 2, topical consistency. Visibility depends on comprehensive brand building. Brands must consistently publish content about topics closely tied to their core expertise. The more a brand is associated with specific topics, the more likely it is to be referenced in an AI-generated answer. Regularly creating high-quality, relevant content that aligns with the brand's interests is key to building this association. Number 3, the quote and stat magnet. AI models prioritize certainty and often favor specific data points. Pages containing specific quotes and statistics tend to perform better in AI responses. For example, AI answers often cite statistics to justify best recommendations. Content should include verifiable statistics to serve as anchors for these generative answers. Number 4, the freshness signal. AI tools prioritize current information. If data is outdated, the AI is likely to discard it for a fresher source. Regularly updating content is essential to maintain relevance and ensure the AI is pulling the most accurate version of the facts, as search behavior shifts rapidly. Number 5, the citation ecosystem. Traditional SEO focuses on backlinks, but GEO focuses on earning credible mentions across the web. AI crawlers weigh user-generated content heavily. Unlinked brand mentions on social platforms like Reddit, YouTube, and Facebook can boost visibility in AI-generated answers just as much as a website link. Encouraging conversations on these platforms creates a ripple effect for visibility. Number 6, structure for the machine. AI crawlers need information to be instantly digestible. Content must be well structured and accessible to AI crawlers. Specifically, using server-side rendering is critical so that AI crawlers can easily process the pages. If a page relies on complex client-side scripts to load, the crawler may miss the answer entirely. Additionally, using bullet points, lists, and tables helps LLMs extract key information effortlessly. Number 7. The Wikipedia authority. One of the most effective strategies is maintaining a presence on Wikipedia. Since Wikipedia is a major source for AI training data, having an accurate entry increases the chances of a brand being referenced. It serves as a primary truth source that models use to verify brand details. Now, recently a startup in this space shut down. The founder revealed a critical insight. Customers would see the data about their AI mentions, but fail to act on it because it didn't change their behavior. This highlights that generative engine optimization cannot be a separate silo. SEO and GEO strategies must work together. The AI Visibility Toolkit from SEMrush is effective because it fits into a broader search strategy. Marketers track AI visibility, identify gaps, and then use the tactics discussed, like updating stats and earning mentions, to fix the narrative at the source. AI is already answering questions about every industry. The only variable is whether a specific brand is included in that answer. The best approach is to start by auditing top-performing pages. Add specific statistics, ensure content is structured with clear lists, and track whether the brand appears in the AI's consideration set. To start measuring this today, the best way is to try SEMrush yourself. It is the first step to seeing what the AI sees. So if you found this video helpful and would like to give SEMrush a try, make sure to use the link in the description to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.